I want to show you how to terminate the cable. This cable is Cat6, and it can be any. It can be Cat7, Cat5, Cat6. The tool we have. This one is pass-through cable. It's Cat6, as you can see here, and this is the same thing here, but this one is different. So when you terminate the cable here, so you're going to have B and A. So the one on the bottom, it should be A. I don't know if you can see it, but terminate. But on the bottom it say A, on the bottom it say B, and then on the top it say A. So if you're going to do A, so both sides of the cable have to be A. If you're going to do B, you do the same thing. So let for you to be able to do it. So we're going to take one end. We want to terminate one end as pass-through cable, like this one. Another one would be this one. And this, the flat where you put your, after this, this part, the one here, this is where to go. So I'm going to show you how this works. So let's just do it here. We're going to do B. So both sides of the cable have to be B. So when you decide you want to do B, it's going to go this way. So I'm doing B. When you do, so it's called fast through, and the cable is fast through at the Keystone, and in here is showing you which one is 45 and this one is 11, and it should come out. So now this is called pass-through cable. So we did that, and as you can see, it's good there. Right here, this one will be different than what you can just see. So on the bottom here say B. Let me show you. So in here say B. So what we're going to do is going to be in the same order here. It will be different. So let me do it here. In this way. In this way, as you can see here. So it say orange, white orange. You see in your book. And then one it be a blue. So this one it be blue, white, blue, and blue. Alright. And then on this side, on the B side, it should be brown, white, and then brown, and then, okay, yep. I cut it using the same tool we have here. So we can use this one. So let me use this very strong. Doesn't cut. As you can see now, so I cut this side, and you have to put a cover for this, and you put it in this way. As you can see how easy you can terminate the cable so easily. And this part, this is a part that go to the experience. Yeah, so how easily to do it, and when you want to take that off, yeah, so if you want to take it off from here, this one has a 2-port. When you push this snap in, and if you want to take it off, you can use tool like this one to push it and then pull it out. Guys, thank you. This is how you make cable, and thank you for